So if you want to see how I go from 0 to 100 with Drugstore, let's get this started. The first thing I'm going to use is the Master Prime Primer from Maybelline. I'm going to put this all over my face as a primer. The thing that's really nice is that they do have the protectives, so they know that they have not been opened and messed with. And I do have pores, so I like to actually conceal those and make them blurry. Definitely feels really nice. It's got a silicone base to it, so I do not mind those at all. I'm going to be using L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation in 203. I've had this for a while. Just been trying out a lot of different foundations. And I'm going to be using the Sonia Kashuk blender. I'm going to use the flat end of it. Light-handed, tapping it in. Blending it down my neck. As you can see, it leaves your skin really glowy, matches pretty well, really pretty shade. Now I'm going to be using Maybelline Age Rewind in Neutralizer. And I'm going to use the pointed end of this blender to blend that in. And I'm going to use the excess and I'm going to tap under my cheekbones. Unfortunately, I didn't get any powder to actually set my face, so I'm going to set my face really quick. I'm going to warm up my face with the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula, and this is in the shade Light. I've never used this before. Definitely has like a smell to it, and actually it does not smell bad at all. Definitely not a very dark bronze, but that's actually not a bad thing. I'm kind of just going for like a little bit more of like a natural, which is really nice. I do like it. And I'm going to take the same butter bronzer and I'm going to do a little bit of a nose contour, go on each side of the nose. Definitely nice. I do like it a lot. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Matte Blush in Fusion. This is what it looks like. Really pretty color. Reminds me a little bit like MAC Peaches. Definitely does have some color payoff to it. So go very light-handed. Now if you went a little strong like I did, just go back in with your beauty sponge and just blend out your edges. Tone it down just a little bit. Not bad, really cute. We're gonna be using the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. And this is what the shade looks like. Really pretty. Really pretty color. I do like this a lot. On the high points of my brows on each side, just a little bit. My nose. I like this a lot. Now let's zoom in just a little bit so we can work on the eyes. Let's try something with this Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Division. I went to 3 different Ulta locations to find this, so I am really excited that I finally did find it. So I'm going to actually put side by side the Subculture palette and this palette together and kind of see what the shades look like. So these are the 2 palettes side by side, and you can definitely see a lot of similarities, glitter shades and a lot of the matte shades. So let's give her a try. So I'm gonna start off with this first shade, and I'm gonna blend this through my crease. This is what the first shade looks like. Neutrally brown shade, goes well in the crease. This shade, we're gonna start mapping out a halo. Going back in with the first brush and just kind of blending them in. I'm going to pick up this shade right here, the second green, darker one, and I'm going to do that to the same areas that I was just using the little bit lighter one for. Use this little mustardy shade. I'm gonna blend this in my crease a little bit. And we're gonna blend this into the crease. I'm gonna take the darker green shade. Going to re-intensify the yellow shade one more time and blend everything out. I'm just gonna put some glitter glue on my center of my eyelids where I'm gonna be putting the halo. Tap that on my center of my eyelid. And I'm going to be using the green glitter shade right there. And I'm gonna put that in the center of my eye. Ooh, I like this a lot. And this is what the eye and the lids are gonna look like. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. I'm gonna put a coat of mascara on my upper eyelashes. And this is what the wand looks like. Mascara is really nice. I actually do like that a lot. I'm going to put some false lashes on and I will be back in just a minute. And this is what the lashes look like. They are fluffy and wispy and they're not too thick, so they actually, you can still see the eye makeup that's going on. Now let's work on our under eyes. These two greens, this one and this green, going from the outer corner all the way to the inner corner. And I'm gonna pick up this shade right here. And I'm gonna push this into my lash line. These two, and I'm gonna blend this all out real nice and smoked out. And I'm gonna go in with the yellow mustardy shade, and I'm gonna like go a little bit lower under that green and then mesh the two together. Back in with the two greens. I'm going to line my rim of my eyes with this Tarte rim liner. I know it's not drugstore, but I do like it a lot. So I'm gonna use that to brighten up my inner eyes a little bit. I'm gonna put the same Maybelline Total Temptation mascara on my lower lash line. I'm going to highlight my inner corners so my eyes are a little bit more awake. I'm going to use, again, the Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline in Molten Gold. Gonna do my eyebrows really quick. I have one from KatVonD Model Co. So these are the different ones that I do have. And I'm going to start with the one from Kat Beauty. Looks just like this. And then I'm going to go in with this Skone brow pencil as well to kind of tone down the red a little bit. This is in the shade Chocolate. Using a little bit more of the Master Chrome highlighter. Then I'm going to zoom out just a little bit and we were going to do the lips. So I'm going to use this color Sensational lip liner in Rich Chocolate. And this is what the shade looks like. And I'm going to line my lips. I'm going to use the shade Fighter to put on my lips, and this is what the wand looks like. I'm going to set my face with some of the Skone the makeup finishing spray. I'm going to re-intensify my highlight on my cheeks since my skin is still wet with the highlighter. And I'm going to go do my hair and we will be right back. I'm gonna go from this bun that I have going on to some hair. So I will be back and we will talk about what we have. Using drugstore makeup and some products that I've already had. This is the final look for what I did come up with. The Makeup Revolution palette. I love this. I am definitely gonna be using this a lot more often. I would have to say about this beauty sponge from the Sonia Kashuk, it is a little big, but it does definitely do the trick. The foundation from L'Oreal and the Age Rewind, I don't really like these. It just, as you can kind of see, it kind of like broke up right here in my eyes, and it just, I don't know, it's just maybe I'm just so used to like either my YSL or my Giorgio Armani that just, it stays put. It doesn't move around. And my concealers, I mean, going from maybe with the Tarte or my NARS or the other ones, then using that Age Rewind. Maybe if I was going to use it just to like touch up a little bit of areas, and then also in conjunction, Physician Formula bronzer, definitely I do like this. I'm going to try it out maybe with my MAC Shade Stir or, you know, with my KatVonD as well, just to kind of see what it looks like with that. The blush from Makeup Revolution, I like this. It definitely does look a lot like Peaches. For anybody that's looking for a little bit of a dupe, I do like this a lot. The mascara, I do like this a lot. I use it for my upper and my lower lashes, and I did not have any issues. And last, I'm going to play with these more. I do like these a lot. I did use Fighter for my lips today, and I like it a lot. No issues. It definitely is very, very opaque. It's not very tight on my lips. It doesn't make my lips dry, even though it's a matte color. The highlighter, love it. I'm going to be using this a lot. I give this thing a big thumbs up. So this is what I created. Do you like my hair? I curled it. I don't do it very often, but I'm having a very good hair day. So this is what I did. If you like it, please make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me any comments below. What do you like? What do you want to see? Anything that you want me to try differently? Or if you have any suggestions for any other drugstore products, let me know in the comment section below. I do appreciate you guys coming along with me on this journey of trying out different things that I have not tried, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!